Meghalaya Health Department has reported a concerning rise in the rabies-related deaths, with 27 fatalities recorded between 2023 and September 2024. Health Minister Dr. Ampareen Lyngdoh described the situation as alarming and emphasized the need for immediate action, including the sterilization and vaccination of stray dogs, particularly in the most affected districts, West Khasi Hills and West Jaintia Hills.
In this question and answer round.
So usually
a rabies vaccination is the responsibility of a citizen. There is also a talk that rabies vaccination are not available, etc., etc., etc. Hence now we are committing to the state that we will ensure that up to the PHC level there should be rabies vaccination available